Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Blackview Tab 12 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this tablet faster. Firstly, you need to remember one rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full. This is maybe most important thing you need to remember about take care of your device, because if you will fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. To find out how much storage you have used, you need to open settings, then you'll find storage, and here you will see the percentage of device usage. And as you can see, I have used only 8% because my device is new after the factory reset. So this is the most important thing. The second important thing is, of course, the RAM. So from time to time you just need to release the RAM. So click clear all to clear the RAM. As you can see, I have just cleaned 165 megabytes of RAM storage. And of course, from time to time, you don't need to do it always. From time to time you just need to see on your application list and just remove apps you don't need, because applications very often works in background, and if you have applications that you don't need, maybe this application sometimes works in background and affecting your system performance. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.